Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Patent company. And today I'm here with a new question. And in case if you need Google Ads, audit setup, or management services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is hire us with a link in the description, and I look forward to working with you guys. So now let's move on to the question I have. We have two similar ad campaigns, two different websites selling almost similar service. Keywords are almost the same, and one of them is performing badly. Didn't bring revenue for the past 12 months. Could this be because the two ads are competing with each other? First campaign for first website has revenue, but ROI is still bad. Second campaign for the second website totally zero in revenue. In the first 6 months, we run performance max, then we switch to search campaign. Okay, so now you are saying is that you have two websites, both of them do not bring revenue. I mean profit. One of them is bringing revenue, but ROI is bad, and the other has zero in revenue. Okay, in case if you have zero in revenue, okay, there could be an issue in your website. Okay, I believe that issue in your checkout or website. Okay, because zero sounds very suspicious. Have you tried doing checkout yourself on the website, like everything is fine? That is the first and more foremost thing. Okay, secondly, I do not suggesting launching a second venture unless and until the first venture is profitable. I'm not saying you can't market. You can market. It's perfectly fine. You can have same market. You can target multiple brands, and you can target for different ad positions. If I'm a marketer, I would like to target all the ad positions. I would like to take all of them. But there are several things. If the first venture is not profitable, why you allow launching the second? I mean, why you are running two ventures when you both of them are no not good? You are having revenue, still ROI is still bad. So I think we need to work more where the ROI is bad still, rather launching the second website. So my suggestion is, first of all, close the second campaign. Okay, you have to check your issues in the website. I believe that you have to check it out. Okay, that is separate thing. You can do it whenever you are free. You can do it. But the thing is, there are certain factors where optimization is necessary in the first campaign first, and then look around it. First, for instance, optimize your landing page. I've been seeing this all. Optimize your landing page, optimize your ads, campaign structure, improve it. Okay, these are things which are very important. Okay, there are things which can do. For instance, I was recommending to another client that how we can work around with the ad extensions, and increase our CDF. For instance, uh, this is a normal ad, and in case if I add different ad extensions to it, how attractive my ad can be. So I need to work around on my ad extensions to make my ads more appealing. I need to work on my landing page. We are paying for money to land on a website, so I need to optimize it, and then I need to look around on when I am getting more sales, time, day, area, devices, keywords. I mean, and I'm going to put most of my budget. Put major budget in that time. Okay, that is the marketing. We have to, and when we do not have not sales, either optimize it or remove it, not do not target. So areas will loophole, work on them, remove it or improve it. Also look what your competitors are doing. I mean, your competitors are your best teachers, so they can tell you a lot. So here your scenario story is different. You are targeting with your own website, so you do not have time to look on your competitors, but focus on your competitors, what the competitors are doing, and this could give you great insights on how you can optimize and generate more sales. So I mean, apart from landing page, you can work on your offer, like you can have a buy one get one free offer, or something like a discount code. You can build an email list. Okay, that could be helpful as well. I mean, there are so many things which need your optimization and which need your insights. So I mean, think before starting out creating a second website. There is a lot we can do in the first website, and for the second website, make sure to, because it's a single sale again, is a very cautious thing for me. So which is why I recommend you to try doing your own checkout to see everything is fine. I hope this answers your question, and I hope this answers your question. I told you some basic insights, on how you can improve your campaign. So, but in case if you need my services for detailed audit, or even the audience needs for a detailed audit, you guys can hire me and my team. The link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.